Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So in this situation, we need to multiply with sine s cosine s to the power of n on numerator and denominator. So you will get about sine s to the power of n. This one you will get about sine s to the power of n cosine s to the power of n, and this integral I have already done, so you can check the thumbnail on the left. That's the end. Thank you for watching.